everyone, it's Xarin from Smitten Kittens. Welcome back to our channel, and today we have a crafting video. I'm making DIY pet tags, and sa video nito gagamit din tayo ng shrink film at UV resin. So medyo tutorial siya about the basics of using those materials. If you're interested, please keep watching. This is one of my cats, Kiryu, and he's supposed to model the pet tag pero ayaw niya magpakita. Ayaw niya ipakita sa camera. For these pet tags, we're using printable shrink film. 90 pesos siya per sheet and nabili ko siya sa Shopee. The link to the shop is in the description box down below. So it looks like this. Medyo may kamahalan siya, but marami ka namang uses na magagamit sa kanya. So I think it's a good purchase. To start, I designed my pet tags on a software or a free app like Canva. And then I printed it on the shrink film. So, ito na yung itsura niya. Make sure that your design is 2 times bigger than the finished project na gusto mo. That's because liliit siya later when you shrink it. So, here are the designs now. I just put their names and a contact number. Yung designs na ipiprint mo ay pwedeng iprint mo in 50% transparency kasi pag na-shrink siya, magko-compress naman siya. So, mas linaw siya. Ayan, gugupitin ko na yung designs now. I'm just using a pair of scissors, pero baka may circle cutter kayo or box cutter or whatever cutter na gusto nyo gamitin. May dalawa nga palang klase ng shrink film na mabibili sa Shopee. May transparent and then may white. So, I picked the white kasi mas lutang yung design and yung text sa kanya. Make sure you also get the printable one kasi may iba na hindi printer compatible if you want to print your design. And the designs are now cut out, so magpa-punch ako ng holes for the tag para makabit sila sa collar. Make sure you punch the holes now kasi pag shrink natin siya mamaya, matigas na siya, mahirap na siya butasan ng puncher. Now, I'm going to be shrinking the film using a heat gun. Maraming paraan para i-shrink yung film. You can use an oven, you can even use a hot hair dryer, pero I happen to have a heat gun because I use it for cosplay armor projects, so I'm going to be using this one. So sa heat gun, medyo instant lang yung pag-shrink sa kanya, which is why I like it. Ingat-ingat lang though because it gets hot, especially yung metal part ng heat gun. Mag-ingat na mapaso, be careful. Mapapansin nyo rin here na pagka-shrink yun yung design, mas nagiging matingkad yung colors niya. That's why I said na pag-print yun yung design, mas okay lang na i-increase nyo yung brightness or gawin nyo lang siyang 50% transparency. And here are the pet tags after they've been shrunk. They're thick, they're around 2mm thick after they've been shrunk, but hindi waterproof yung design. That's why we're gonna seal the top with UV resin. This is UV resin and nabili ko siya sa Shopee. The link for it is in the description box down below. It's a type of resin na tumitigas with UV light, so kailangan mo din bumili ng UV lamp with your UV resin. Pwede rin siyang patuyuin under harsh sunlight, but I prefer having a lamp kasi hindi natin alam yung weather dito, pa iba-iba. Now I laid out the pet tags on a silicone mat. I'm using this silicone mat para mag-protect yung work surface ko from the resin. And now I'm just going to dot some resin on the tops. I don't really want a full dome kasi this is for personal use. That's why konti lang yung dinot ko, and now I'm going to be using a dotted tool para i-spread yung resin over the print. This will help seal in the design and keep it waterproof. Ingatan yung malagay yung resin against your skin. Don't get it on your hands, and it does have smell, it does have fumes, so please use a respirator. And here it is. You can't see it too well because it's clear, but I've spread the resin dun sa ibabaw ng design. And now we're going to be using our UV lamp. I got the 64 watts one. Nabili ko rin siya from Shopee. At the same shop I got the resin from. The link will be in the description box. Mas mataas yung wattage ng lamp, mas mabilis mag-cure yung resin. So I got one with a higher wattage kasi investment ko rin siya for my work. You can get a lower wattage if you want. Choice ko lang to go with the higher watts. And now we're gonna put in our designs into the UV lamp. So sa 64 watts, ang nakalagay na instructions is the resin will cure in about 2 minutes. And the pet tags are done. Ayan, I actually changed the design later on. I made that contact number bigger. I like how glossy it is. I like using shrink film because lightweight lang siya, hindi mamabigatan yung cats ko with them. Maybe I'll make more shrink film and resin projects on this channel. I hope this video helped you. And don't forget na if you have any questions or video suggestions, feel free to comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy crafting!